Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make an Arduino link in real life. First thing you want to do is click on the link below the video that says steps. You should see a code in the steps. Now copy and paste that whole code. You're probably wondering where you want to paste it. Well, now you need to go to your toolbar and you should see an Arduino app. Click on the Arduino app. You should have a blank screen like this. And if you don't, just delete the code that's in there and copy and paste the new code. Should be good now and ready to go. Now you need to go to the barbershop Arduino room and you need to get a few things. First, you need to get an HDMI cord, looks like this. Second, you need to get an Arduino board. Third, you need to get a LED. Now, you need to take the HDMI cord and you need to plug it into your computer. You want to take the other end of the HDMI cord and plug it into the Arduino. It should look like this. Now, you want to take your LED and you need to plug that in, the longer end in the 13 and the shorter end in the G&D. Should look like this. Now you want to go to Tools, top left corner, and you need to scroll down until you see Port. You should see a button where it says Common 9 Arduino Uno. If you do not see this, plug your HDMI cord in more into the computer. Click on Common 9 Arduino Uno. Now you should be ready to go. In the up left corner, you should see an Upload button. Click the Upload button. You should see a green bar down here, which as soon as you see that go away, means it's done. Say done uploading over here. If you see no red lines down here, it means you're good. Mine ain't working for some reason, so I'm going to try pushing everything in farther. I pushed it in and it worked. So if yours ain't working, try pushing the LED in farther and the HDMI cord. And if that don't work, make sure you have full code. If that ain't working, still ain't working, then go through the steps again and rewatch the video and do everything slower. Now you probably want to tweak it. You want to scroll down until you see delay. See delay right here. Make it 100 to make it go really fast, and make it 10,000 to make it really go really slow. Now do the same thing. Go up here, click the arrow, upload. Just see the green bar. Now it's gone, done uploading. It should look like this, where it's blinking really, really fast. Now, I'm going to show you how to make it really, really slow. You want to add 2 zeros. And do the same thing, hit the upload. Then you see the green bar. As soon as it's gone, you see done uploading. And it'll look like this. It'll look like a solid red light. Like a Christmas light, kind of. I hope this video helped y'all. Have a good day and keep tinkering.